What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, you already know it, guys. Everything, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, we about to do the same thing we do every day. We about to check on the markets, see how it is been performing for the past 24 hours. Then we about to look at pricing much more details because there's a couple of things I found looking at it right now. And we're also going to check on our positions. Okay, we're about to see how the position has been performing. Maybe good, maybe better than yesterday. Guys, just follow along, okay? Follow along. You can compare your positions with mine and then we go from there. Anyways, now it is the last time that Casper dropped to $3.8 billion market cap. I remember telling you guys it's time to get in. I remember saying it, I don't know, for a whole week long. Guys, you need to get in. A lot of people, they wait for the breakout confirmation. Okay, once the chart show a breakout confirmation, that's when they get in. My style of trading, again, it's not financial advice. That's the way I do my things. My style of trading, okay, I like to get in way before the breakout confirmation. The reason is because that's how I make most of my profits. You understand? That's how I make more money. Yes, it's a little bit risky. Yes, that is that's an understatement. Yes, it's risky, but you guys already know I'm a very aggressive trader and I like to take that risk. You understand? So when I look at the charts and I look at the way things are going on around us right now, but the sentiments of the public, everybody, like if you look at the fear and greed index, you see that there is extreme fear. I mean, there is extreme fear in the market right now. That's why I like to get in. Understand? So you see the market cap of Casper. Look at it right now. It is 3.8 billion. You look at the charts. You look at what's coming on Casper, and then you understand that this opportunity, guys, is a once in a lifetime coming in. So you do not want to sit on the sideline for it. The same thing. Go look at Quant. I was looking at Quant market cap and I couldn't believe my eyes. The market cap dropped, such as the price. Look at the price right now, $61, $62 Quant, and you want to sit on the sideline. A bunch of you who was asking for, you know what, I would like Quant to come back down so that I can get some more, or I can do this and that. Now is the time for that. Now is the time for that. Look at Jasmine, guys. I told you guys yesterday we was trying to go to get that resistance at 2.3. Did you see what happened? If you got your positions in, you'll be doing good right now. My positions are still looking red, yes, but I scaled them up because right now, as time go by, you're about to see that the price is about to start running, and when it starts to run, if you scaled up positions, okay, excuse me. If you scaled up your positions, your profits are going to be like 3 times or even 20 times. You understand? It's an opportunity. Yeah, nothing good comes without a risk. You have to learn that. If it comes without a risk, it's not good. Man, I don't know how to say this. You need to learn how to take the risk. People trade differently. Now, if you want to go from zero to a millionaire status, just like the way I want to do it, taking a risk is part of the deal. It is part of the deal. If you don't take it, man, I don't know what to tell you. Seriously, I don't know what to tell you. Because everybody else is panicking right now. Everybody else is running like, oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, I don't know this. Man, listen, what you have to do is take that risk. That's all you have to do. Do not take it with money you are not ready to lose. Understand? Understand that it's always gonna like swing either upwards or downwards violently because it's trying to find that stable price action. But I'm telling you, looking at everything else, I can see that the price is about to blow up. And when I mean up, it's about to blow to the races. I mean, the sky. Let's go. The moon is not even high enough, guys. It's not high enough. Look at the liquidation heat maps. Look at everything, guys. Everything is showing that price action is about to take off. And while everybody else, okay, everybody else on YouTube and all the social media, they're busy crying about the crash, us right here in my millionaire journey, we are taking our positions. We are making our stand. Okay, so again, say it. Excuse me. I will say it. Now is not the time for you to go over there and cry about the market crashing. No, I always say the same thing. In every negative situation, there is always something good that comes out of it. Understand? Everybody else is crying about it. Man, it's your time to take, use this opportunity. Get into your trades. If you don't know how to leverage trade, it's time for you to pile up on your coins on your spot, because this chance you are not going to get it again. You are not going to get it again, especially with coins like Casper. You are not going to get it again. Okay, so not financial advice, and I'll say it again. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. So now let's go look at the markets right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. I would like to start with crypto bubbles right quick. As you can see, the market is still fairly mixed up. Okay, some projects have been making good moves. Others are still like in limbo. Like I said, depends on what project you invest your money on. Those of us who invest in things like Casper, we're already bouncing up already. Because I told you guys, if you put your money in shit coins, man, I don't know. Most of those cryptos are not going to make all-time high. Understand? But anyways, let's go look at Casper first in more details. KAS, Casper. Okay, as you can see right now, Casper, we are down 1.4% on the hourly, 5.6% on the day, 24.6% on the week, 2.6% down on the month, and 226% up for the year. Okay, so now let's go look at let's see, look at Quant, QNT. Quant, for the past hour, we are down 0.2%. On the day, we are still down 2.6%. On the week, 14% down. On the month, 13.8% down. And on the year, 41.4% down. Which now, let's go look at the last but not the least, which is Jasmy. Jasmy, JSMY. For Jasmy, more or less the same thing. We are down 0.7% for the hour. We are up 1% on the day, 28.1% down on the week, 7.9% down on the month, and on the year we are up 456%. Understand? So when I'm looking at these numbers, guys, when I'm looking at these numbers, what I see is that the price is ranging. Okay, we got out from that dip and we are now ranging. That's what I can see just by merely looking at those numbers and comparing them from what it was yesterday. I can see that we are ranging. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you to trading view and we're gonna look at these prices in a little more of details. Okay, so let's go to trading view. Here we are, trading view. We will start with Casper. Okay. So you can see yesterday, you remember I told you guys, Casper was going to take off and go try the first resistance, which was at 17. Okay, 17 cents on a dollar. And that's exactly what happened. Casper broke out, tried the 17, getting rejected. Okay, so my opinion right now, I think we're going to come back down to retest the 15 cents. Once we retest that 15 cents, then we are going to go up again to try that 17 cents resistance. And this time, I think Casper is about to break that resistance and start continue the leg up. So the way I'm looking at it, let me go on the 1 hour right quick. Right there, 1 hour. See, we are just ranging. It broke out. Okay, now we have this ranging, going up and down, up and down. So we have here as almost like a pivot, the pivot point, the midpoint or the mid price point of this flag that it is forming. So again, like I said, there is a big probability that it might come back down to retest this 15 cents, or it's a little bit more higher probability that in the upcoming hours you're about to see Casper go above the 16 cents one more time, turn it into support, and then go up to try the 17 cents again to see if this time we're going to break it. That is why I'm telling you guys, what it is happening is just ranging, and it's a very good opportunity for you guys or anybody else that is trading to get into their position. Okay, you got to look at your RSI, if it is at the bottom, the MACD, if it is flipping and all that stuff, then you get into your position. Now there's not much to be said here. Everything here, all this price action points to you that this bull flag is about to break off. So today is Wednesday, which means probably by the weekend, Friday, because everything usually starts to move towards Friday once the weekend is approaching. So we only have 2 days, Thursday and Friday, and you're about to see this price action reverse to start to go to the upside. Okay, that's why there's a lot coming out for Casper, guys. There's a lot. Do not take those things for granted, because those are like a very, very huge catalyst for Casper. Now let's go see what Quant is up to today. Let's see Quant QNT on Binance. Okay, almost the same thing, just the same thing. Okay, when you look at Quant, let me bring out my arrow. We are on the 1 hour schedule. Yesterday I told you guys we was going to go up to retest that $65 for Quant, and exactly what it did. Price went up. We're not getting rejected by that $65. Okay, so what I'm expecting, again, I told you guys this price action has already started to go up. What they're doing right now is, I don't know, I think like a lot of people still think that price is going lower than this. That's why hence you see all these red candles. Okay, price try to move, and here you see this. I guarantee you, I bet you, if you go look at Bitcoin price is dropping, and this is what is happening. Again, you were happy with the ETFs, now you see what the ETFs can get you. So anyways, look at this. So if I go on the 4 hourly, let me go right there, 4 hours. Yesterday, like I said, we were about to test it. It did get rejected. Now I'm expecting it to try to go back up again and retry it. Now if you want to look at it in a very, very more precision, you can do it this way. You take a trend line. Let me take this, put it right here. I'm not going to count the wicks, I'm just going to count the bodies of the candles. As you can see, it's not going to be perfect because I'm using my phone. So as you can see, Quant is forming an ascending triangle. Okay, an ascending triangle, which means we are going to have this up, down, up, down, up, and then try to break out. But I think it will break out way before that. It will break out probably Friday, thereabout. Because here, when you look at it, okay, there is the resistance and the downward slope for the previous resistance. You remember I told you guys, this line, if you follow it, the white one has been here for the longest, has been acting as major resistance until we finally broke out of it. So, but here we have the bottom of the triangle and we have the same line, so it is crossing. It's a double resistance. So I think Quant will come up here, break it, turn it into support, and then we start to go up. Next target will be around that 70, I think. Hopefully it should be lower than that because the moving average is coming down slowly. So we should be able to get above the moving average and go try the next major resistance right here, $72. So Quant, guys, Quant is doing pretty good compared to a lot of coins right now. Okay, so again, you have got to zoom out, guys. Look at it on the week, like I always said. Okay, you see that was the resistance. here. This is the resistance that we are battling right now, and then the bottom of the triangle. Once we get it, turn it into support, guys. The ultimate target of all this mess you're looking at right now is the first line of the Fibonacci retracement right here, which is at $125, guys. Once we break above $125, Quant is gone. And I can tell you that it's about to happen in the next 2 to 3 months, because the development coming out of Quant, they are very, very good. I told you guys, XRP wasn't going to be the one to move the money around the world for cross borders and all that stuff. Now, the big money has started, guys. They have started comparing the SWIFT system to the M-Bridge. And even the people who are competing with the US dollars, they call them the BRICS or whatever you want to call them, they are already moving their money around the world using the M-Bridge. And guys, Quant, there is a lot of things. Oh my God, Quant is coming out really, really strong. So yeah, there is a lot of adoption happening for Quant right now. Man, I don't want to tell you, when this thing pops, it's gonna pop with a huge bang. Like you can see all this price action right here. It's gonna pop with a huge bang. And don't forget, the crypto summer is almost over. Crypto summer is almost over, guys. So let's go and check on Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, JASMY, on Binance here. Just like I predicted. If you watched my video yesterday, you would have known I told you that Jasmy is showing the same bullish signs. The bull flag that broke out came out. It's just on the weekly. Look at that, retest the support. Every crypto does this. The breakout, the previous resistance is turned into support, and now we are looking at Jasmy to start to go up. Like yesterday, I told you guys, I was in the media short term. I was expecting Jasmy to go and look at the 2.3 cents. Okay, 2.3 cents. That's what I was expecting Jasmy to do. And guys, look at that. It went right there, almost almost 2.4. Now came back. It's getting rejected by it, which is okay, because right as we speak, it is also on top of that support of that bull flag. So when you look at all this price action, all I'm expecting Jasmy to do right now is reverse, go back up, try that 2.3 cents again. And that's exactly what is going to happen. It's going to try that 2.3 cent again, and this time we might be lucky enough to break it, turn it into support, and start going. Because see, the moving average is around that 2.4 thereabout. That's where we are. So we're trying to turn this into support and then start to go up again. Guys, these are opportunities you do not want to miss. Don't wait until the price confirmation people say. I don't wait. I'm an aggressive trader, because I'm telling you, we're already in August. The crypto summer, the red crypto summer, is almost over, and the earlier you get into your positions, the better it's going to be. You're going to make more money. So that's the same thing I was doing. I was just moving my funds around. I will explain to you in a minute what I was doing with my funds. So if I go on the 4 hourly, you can see right there, just like I told you guys yesterday. See, we went and tested it and back. But the important thing right here is look at the moving ribbons. You see how this thing is curving? It's about to curve to start to go off, which means price right now, we're expecting this to curve up. It's going to use the ribbon as support, break above this resistance, and keep going up. Again, this is how I trade. It's not financial advice. You can do whatever you like, but I hate to tell you I told you so. And by next week or so, I think I will tell a lot of people I told you so, because this price action right now screams bullish. That's what we're about to do. Or the second option I'm looking at, after we hit this, Jasmy may come down a little bit, probably close to the 2 cents area, and then reverse again, form a kind of a W pattern and break out of it. Okay, so let's go here. So you want to take time. You want to take right now those chances. You want to take them right now. You don't want to wait. you want to take your chances right now, because I can see this price action breakout so violent. If you was around during the COVID crash, you will understand what I'm talking about. During the COVID crash, the market crashed exactly like this, and the recovery was as violent as the crash. So everybody who was waiting, for example, Bitcoin crashed all the way down to $3,000. Everybody who was waiting for Bitcoin to go to 500 and then would take, got left hanging, because the reversal from $3,000 to $12,000 Bitcoin happened so fast you was not able to break. But those of us who had our positions already at that $3,000, we made a lot of money with it. That's why I'm telling you guys, it's time for you to get into your positions. You understand? Anyways, now looking at it, it's an easy way for you to 5x, 10x, even 20x your money. You understand? But again, do not go leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. Instead, I would recommend just buy the coins on spot and hold. That's what I would recommend doing. It's not financial advice, but what I am doing both. I am doing both. But anyways, now let's go right quick to my Phemex and my Bydfi. My season trades, I cannot mix them back up right now because there's something I found about Bydfi that is different from Phemex. So I moved one of my long-term trades, like I always told you guys I was going to do. I started moving my trades to through Phemex, because I figured out their APY, I mean their, how you call it, I make more money on Phemex if I do a season trade over there. Sorry, I figured out I make more money on Phemex doing season trades over there, as well as short trades. So some of my long trades I moved them to Phemex. But anyways, let's go look at my Bydfi account right quick. Okay, Bydfi right here. Okay, those of you who remember, again, my positions, they have started to recover slowly. It went down to $12,000 because I moved some funds off to Phemex, and I'll show you guys in a minute. As you can see, my overall, I'm still here. I'm up at 12,200. Now we look at my contracts. As you can see, quant is up. Whoa, quant is up. It's like 60. Well, $60 on the price. But when you look at my contracts, okay, on Casper, I am still down, way better than I was when this thing crashed, because I was down almost like 70% negative. But now I'm still down, not that bad, but 7% down, which is around $405. On Quant, I am still down 14%, way better than I was. I was down probably 80% negative, but now I'm still down, but 14% down, which is around $1,000. Now, like I'm telling you guys, this thing is the promise, is the money you've been looking for. Look at this. For example, Casper, by the time we return back to all-time high, which is 0.2, I will have $2,000. You see that? Then we go to 25 cents for Casper, I will have $6,000. But I'm telling you guys, with these smart contracts coming in and all this transaction volume, I'm not surprised to see Casper at 60 cents. So 60 cents, 0.6, this position will make me $30,000. You understand? So that is why I'm telling you guys, this is an opportunity. And again, now look at Quant. I did scale my Quant up. I told you guys yesterday, I scaled it up to 7,400. That was very nice, because right now, if you remember my take profits areas, this is a long term for me. Like I said, I am going to hold Quant. I believe Quant can easily go to $5,000 this run. That's why I have my take profit over there, as you can see, at $5,000. When this happens, this position supposed to make me $1.2 million. So I am going to hold on to it like that. But if it doesn't make it, anyways, I'm just going to keep on monitoring the market to see how far it will go. I believe it will go to $5,000. But if it don't, whatever the price is, closer to the all-time high, closer to the high of the bull run, I will take my profits from there. But as you can see, I scaled up, and because I scaled up, my on my take profit amount has also gone up almost double, because I had it 800,000. That was the amount of money I was going to make, but now it is 1.2 million dollars. Now let's go right quick to my Phemex account right now. Okay, let me sign in. As you can see, my overall came up to 12, almost $11,000. It's not because my profits went up. No, it's because I transferred some of my my money. I sent it here to increase my Casper account. Now, if you look at my contract on my Casper, for example, my Casper, as you can see right now, Casper, I scaled up from when the market crashed. I only had like $1,000 to it, but I scaled it back up again to 4,300. As you can see, the reason is simple. Now you see the take profits. For example, by the time Casper gets back to 0.2, my position will make me 4,200. Now, I'm debating whether I should keep this position here as a seasonal together with the one on Bydfi. As you can see, this position is making me more money. For example, again, you remember at 60 cents, this position will make me $48,000. Now, we all know Casper is going to $10,000. I mean, to $10, sorry. Now, if Casper goes to, let's say, just $1, this position will make me $92,000. You see that? $92,000. Casper goes to $3 or $5, this position will make me $500,000. That's what I'm looking at, and that's why I started bringing my money on Phemex, because Phemex, I think they have better rates and better profits than Bydfi. But anyways, looking at my Jasmine, as you can see, my Jasmine, I'm still down 16%, which is around $1,400. But I'm not worried about it, guys. Like I told you guys, this is just ranging and it's about to take off. Now, look at my Jasmine. I scaled it up to $8,000. You call me crazy, but it is what it is. I scaled it up to $8,000. And by the way, I'm a very aggressive trader. All my trades are 50x. You guys already know that. But if you see Jasmine, okay, look at this. At 5 cents, this position will make me $22,000. But we know the target is around 10 cents. So the target of the bull flag is 10 cents, which will make me $63,000, or 12 cents, which will make me $80,000. Now, if I decide to leave this trade open until we get to the ultimate resistance at 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. So yeah, excuse me. So yeah, those are the risks I am willing to take, because I know the rewards are going to be astronomical. Okay, not financial advice. It's what I am doing. You can follow along if you want to. Again, if you sign up to all those Phemex or Bydfi, you can copy me, you can copy somebody else, or you can do you. The important thing is that you are making money. Now, looking at the numbers on Casper, right quick. Look at this. Market cap of Casper right now sits at $3.8 billion. Just like a couple of weeks ago when I told you guys, now is a chance you can make a lot of money with Casper. Okay, because Casper, by the time it gets back to that $5 billion market cap, which it will very soon, guys, a lot of people will regret this opportunity. Look at the hash rate, guys. Look at the hash rate. Let me open that up. See? Look at the hash rate. Price is already reversing to catch up with the hash rate. This, guys, is an opportunity. You do not want to miss this. Okay, but anyway, let's go look at the migration right quick. Before that, look at the amount of people holding more than 10,000 Casper. Some people sold. Look at that, 101,000 wallets holding more than 10,000 Casper. All right, again, for you to get that amount, it is an opportunity right now, because it will cost you less than if you wait for these prices to start climbing again. Looking at migration, you see here we are 4.2%, which means, yeah, we are almost there. And I'm telling you guys, the introduction of this the introduction of these smart contracts is what is going to speed up this migration. And once migration is completed, guys, we are going to have Binance, Coinbase, Grandpa Exchange. Everybody's going to start to list Casper. So, guys, you wouldn't say I didn't tell you. Like I always say, if you know, you know. Watch out for Casper. Watch out for Quant. Jasmine, you're about to make. Woo! If I say monumental, it's little. You're about to make a lot of money. Okay. Again, before we go, please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay. Like, comment. I would like to read your opinions. I always read all your comments. Please comment. Let me know what you think about this. Share the video so that a lot of people with millionaire minded status like you and I can also get this content. And at the same time, YouTube can also recommend it to other people. Okay? So guys, this is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. And please be careful. Be careful and watch out for yourself. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.